Switch workspace on 3D modeling. Change the view on southwest isometric. And on the top home panel modeling, from the drop-down menu, activate the command Pyramid. Next step, on drawing field, specify center point of base. Move the cursor, enter the specify base radius. Move the cursor or click maybe some number from the keyboard. It may be 2, and click enter on the keyboard. Next step, move the cursor and specify height of pyramid, maybe 3, and click enter on the keyboard. Pyramid is ready. Change view on realistic. That's pyramid.